I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? I've been Cotton Eye Joe. I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
Line Dance with Christiane, Yes We Can. And yes, we can learn Cotton Eye Joe. It's a beginner line dance, 4 walls, and only 24 counts. No tags, no restarts. Let's go. Here's the first 8. Double right heel, and a double left heel, and a right and a left. Pick up your left, step, quarter turn, and scuff with your left and scuff with your right. One more time. Double, and double, and single and step, scuff. Good, with counts. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Good. Second 8, 2 grapevines, yay. 1 to the right and 1 to the left. So a grapevine is step to the side, behind with the left, step to the side right, touch left. Then we do the same thing to the other side. Step left, right behind, step left, touch. So that's the second 8. Let's do it with counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, that's the second 8. The third 8 is really fun. We get to lasso our cowboy or our cowgirl. So we're going to go forward with a right forward and a pop knee. And again, right forward and a pop knee. They're called gallops or hitches or lock steps, all those things. So we're going to gallop forward with our lasso. I'll show you in just a minute. Then we're going to go back 4 counts, right, left, right, left. Yes, so it's step, lock, go back, 2, 3, 4. And the arms are fun, so we're going to lasso. So you're going to put your hand on your left hip, your right hand up in the air as we go forward. And we're going to lasso our favorite cowboy or cowgirl. So we're going to go forward, lasso, lasso. When we go back, we're going to raise the roof. Raise the roof. 4 times. Okay. And the other fun option on the last one is to do them as hop kicks going back. So hop, 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 hop. Yes, I'm not going to hop today, just going to give you the basics, but know all the fun ways you can style it up. 8 counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, let's put it all together from the top. Starting with our heels, doubles, and then singles. From the top with words. 5, 6, 7, 8, double, double, right and double, left and single, single and a step, scuff and a grapevine to the right and a grapevine to the left. Get ready to lasso, 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 and raise the roof. Yes. With counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you can do big hops going back. So have fun. That's it. 24 counts. Then we do it on that wall, that wall, and that wall. Enjoy Cotton Eye Joe. Thanks for joining me. Click subscribe, come back.